So children, knowledge of regional source of materials like stones, minerals, metals and clay used in the production of artifacts and their chemical properties. Knowledge of equipment and chemical necessary for the cleaning of artifacts and other chemical processes. Knowledge of various schools and style of arts and their development. Knowledge of skills of making replicas, models of artifacts and fossils. Knowledge of various approaches of managing exhibition in museums, galleries and information technology. Writing research, report and article. So children, this type of knowledge is very important. The necessary training should be there with that person who is handling material source of history. That he should or she should have that knowledge to build that replicas or model of that particular artifacts. Understood? If something is damaged, that person should have knowledge that how we can uh, have that replica or the model of that particular artifact, because we need to have that artifact for the future generation, to have the knowledge of the future for the future generation. So that method should be there, that knowledge of that method, that how we can produce another replica or model of that particular artifact. So that knowledge is very important. Understood? And again the same thing is there, knowledge of various schools and style of arts with the development, and what type of chemical should be used to preserve that material source of history. We cannot use any type of harsh chemical or materials. Understood? So all this necessary training is required whenever a person is whenever any specific training is given to the person, that how is he or she is going to preserve and conserve oral source of history, material source of history and written source of history. That particular necessary training should be there. Understood? That how we are supposed to preserve and conserve in a particular specific manner. Understood? So all those, and moreover very important thing is that knowledge of history should be there. How he should correlate that artifacts and documents with the history, with the past incidents. Understood? That what is the value of all these things, the value is high or low, that what is the value in international market, why we need to preserve those things. So that is very important. So that value should be there, and if the person is not having any type of knowledge, he or she cannot find any type of that person cannot will be not able to justify those things. Understood? So that is very important. A genuine person with the specific necessary training is required to preserve written and material source and oral source of history. That is very important. So children, whatever necessary training which is given in your page number 59 and 60, please read it again and again, so that you will able to know, because ultimately children, this lesson is little bit you will find this lesson a little bit lengthy and very different type of different authors name, different new words. So you are supposed to read this each and every paragraph again and again, so that you will able to learn it properly and try to understand that why it is important and why it is necessary and how it is going to help for the future generation. Understood?